Hi there guys, and welcome to my new video. In this video you're gonna find out an extremely easy way how to make money online using websites that pay commission. This process is so easy, but not a lot of people know about it. So watch this video to get through the process correctly, as I'm going to show you a step-by-step instruction on how you can actually make this happen. Make sure to stay all the way to the end of this video, because at the end I'm going to show you a couple more websites where you can actually make more money. Now, let's dive more deeply into the thing, shall we?
First things first, what you need is a niche that you're targeting and that you have to play smart. What I mean by that is that you should provide a value, but for the example of this video, I'm gonna use some existing posts. Now, you wanna make money online, and the easiest method is to use a website called Adfly. And the great thing about it is that you can do it even as a total beginner. So Adfly is basically a link shortener service, but with a function to make you money if people click through your link. Let's say you want to shrink a link to a website, so you go to Adfly and then paste the link here in this bar, and after a while you will get a shortened link which you can use to direct people to. Now let's assume that you're in photography business and want to do your stuff and spread the word. What do? Remember when I said to play smart? One of those things is to catch a trend. By that I mean catching trendy stuff that is going around you. It can be literally anything that can be related to your niche, like for example coronavirus pandemic. So, how can coronavirus be of use? Well, most people are not likely to open an email if you place a regular guerrilla campaign for something, regardless if it is regarding their interests or not, as they didn't subscribe to it. However, there is a catch. Let's Google up something for coronavirus and photography. Will coronavirus impact photographers? Now what you're gonna do is read through all of these posts and find the best one. Then copy all the text out of it and then go to another website called wordcount.net and then paste it here. Here you will see that it has a lot of words and letters. So this is a post that rank well, because we only open those from the first page of Google. What you want to do is you want to go to a medium.com website. It's a website for sharing content, so if you don't have a website, you can use medium.com to post something, whichever it is. But in order for you to be successful, you have to think about how search engines work. Most search engines also take in consideration the length of a text and its value, so make sure to provide longer text than what is being shown on the first page of Google and try to provide value in it as much as you can. Once it's approved and online, copy the link to your Medium article into the Adfly and shorten it. Since Adfly works, when people go through your link, they have to pause for 5 seconds for Adfly ads to be shown, and then they are redirected. You need people to send it to, and that is being done on many ways, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to show you one trick with emails in just a second. Let us now go to Facebook. You'll need to collect emails first, and for that you have multiple methods, but for the purpose of this video, as I told you, I'll use Facebook. Go to search bar and type drop your emails and go to the posts tab. Find posts with a lot of comments, cause people have been leaving emails in them, and then what you wanna do is open every single comment from it and then select all the text out of the post. Next thing what you're gonna do is go to the website called light14.us. It's an email scraper from any text that you paste into it. Now in here paste the text that you previously copied and then click extract emails. Make sure that this is sorted by a new line. Make sure to write these emails that you got in a text file or a spreadsheet file so that you can use them later. The next and last step in this process is email sender. I use gmass. Google for gmass, as it's an online software to create and send mass emails. With the free version you are limited to 50 emails due, so once you have an account you can only send 50 emails per day. And what I did was to open 20 accounts with my Gmails and then send 1000 emails every day for a month. After 1 month you should have acquired a lot of emails and also sent a lot of emails, so many people would have clicked through your link, and that is how you make money. However, in order for emails to have highest chance of delivering to an inbox and don't end up in spam folder, make sure to watch my next video on how to properly write and stylize an email to optimize it for maximum delivery chance. It is inevitable that many emails will end up in spam or trash, as this is guerrilla campaign, but you can lower their percentage with tricks that I will explain in that video.
And now, as I told you at the beginning of a clip, I'm going to show you a couple more websites where you can actually make more money. Let's check them out.
First website on our list is Godaddy Auctions. What you want to do is to watch expired websites, as after they expire they fall into a place called Godaddy Auctions. Once a new insight comes out, you simply buy it, as it's gonna be around 10 to 20 bucks. That's the last step. When you buy it, you can actually sell it for top prices. As you can see, this person here is listed Fantasy Balls Asia for almost 50,000 bucks. Down below you can see various different website names that are being auctioned by different people, and on the right here you can see how many bidding days or hours it has left to be sold to highest bidder. This guy probably bought his domain for just 10 to 20 bucks because he was here on time. The catch is that you have to be on this website to stay active and buy appealing domain names like this so that you can sell it someday like these guys. The second site on this list is called duda.com, and it's simply a website content management system, and if you might be wondering what it is, it's a website that is used to build and maintain websites and their content. Go to places like Instagram and find businesses that have bad websites. Maybe they all have sites that are not up to the par with modern requirements and that their websites are actually of a low quality. Once you negotiate with them for a price, simply use a copy of a template from Duda and do a little personal touch to it and then send it over to them, and then tell them to pay you at least $100 to $1,000 for a website. Once they pay you the money, you start working. Go to Duda and pay to use it to build a mobile, beautiful, responsive website for your clients. I think I have some videos about this on my channel, so if you want to learn more about this, go and check it out. Now it brings us to a third website, which is called Flippa.com, and Flippa.com is a place which you can see here. It's a platform to buy and sell online businesses, and what you have to do to make money with one of them is to come here and find a small website that's like 30 to 100 bucks that you see potential in. Then you have to buy the website. Do a little bit of graphic design on it. Just make it look better and try to get more traffic to it. You can go and watch some videos on my channel about how to get traffic, so try to get some more info on it that way. And when you boost up the traffic, you actually just have to come back here and sell the same website that you previously bought for, let's say, 100 bucks for prices like up to 1,000, 5,000 or more. As you can see, this one here, this one is selling for 9,000 and this one is here selling 50,000, and some websites like this one are selling for even more. That would be on for the Flippa.com. This brings us to a fourth website on the list, and this one is called People Per Hour. That's the one over here. You can see it says live your work dream. So this is a freelance website where people come to buy and sell services. Also, businesses come here to purchase things as well. Freelancers are usually selling services like logo design or graphics design, or selling translation services, and if you are someone who speaks two languages, let's say English or Spanish, you can do translation on documents from English to Spanish and vice versa. I have actually made a lot of money on this on another freelance website. As you can see here on their public analytics, people have made over £137 million. So it shouldn't be hard for you to get some cut out of this if you provide high quality services. Fifth and last website on our list is peerfly.com, and here you can see that this is a CPA network. CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition, and if you know the art of selling, you can just come here and start earning today by signing up and doing your magic. They have a bunch of CPA offers, and it works like this. You get paid when someone takes action through your referral link. So for example, when people enter something like their emails, their names, their credit card details, sign up for free trial, or just download an app, you actually get paid around $1, $2, $5, depending on the person's country. So that's how peerfly works. And that's the last website for easy money for me to show you today. If you like what you saw and wish to know more about these untold tricks, don't forget to subscribe and turn that bell on to get notification when a new video comes online. Let me know in the comments what you think on this method and send me your thoughts and suggestions. Until next video.